Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can make your voice sing karaoke profile private. So first of all, you need to download the voice sing karaoke app, and once you have downloaded, open your app. Then make sure you are already logged in to your account. So on the bottom of the screen you will see an icon with me written underneath it. Tap on it. Now, on the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a gear icon between two icons. Tap on the gear icon and this will open up your settings page as you can see. Now, to make your account private, scroll down and then you will see an option with private account under the privacy heading. Tap on it and again tap on the switch to private option, and that's how you can make your account private on the Sing Karaoke app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.